So in this lecture, we are going to cover the GCP is a secure global private network, live migration of VMs, unconventional building and offer. They provide a lot of offers, and the Google is creator of Kubernetes engine, and they are for AL and ML service. They are the best, and they are organized structure. So we are going to understand this point about GCP is the first. I feel like the in AWS we have a lot of competitions, and if you are preparing for AWS, but GCP is very new, and there are a lot of opportunity for the new jobs, and this is really helpful. And so we're going for secure global private network. So Google GCP, as you know, the Google is private network is nothing that travel via the public internet. When you're using cloud CDN, traffic from your origin traverses through this fiber network delivery. So I mean, this top tech company they build this fiber for whole world. So the most of the research company opt for GCP because network is connected through the internet. And live migration. This is live migration is entire VM infrastructure carrying out all updates at hardware level, restoring back in the VM without stopping it. So it's a live migration without the stopping the existing service. So Google is the best doing this one. So they offered Google other cloud provider you need to stop and migrate your VM and critical upgrade. So new VM is created with a startup scripts. Unconventional billing and offers. So as we know that like Google, they for newcomers they provide $300 credit for first 90 days and committed use of discount. If you are sure about server uses, you can use up to 80% discount by reserving and resource upfront. I mean, and for a startup they are also giving 10,000 USD. So this is also very important part in terms of the billings uh, and as you know the Google is a creator of Kubernetes engine. Kubernetes is a container and tool designed to created by Google to manage their infrastructure. Million of containers were deployed and host Google services. Kubernetes was heart of those containers. Google open sourced this technology and provided Google managed Kubernetes engine to the service. Google Cloud provide Google GCP, Google is own infrastructure and security is on utmost concern of Google. Hence, highly skilled and certified professional look there the infrastructure, AL and ML. So, no questions that Google is the king of data. In the AI world, more data you have, more accuracy your model will produce. Google ML service are the best. Google provides several ML service train your model and handle the model training pipeline. Kubeflow is the trending ML ops now. Again, Kubeflow was based on Google internal method deployed TensorFlow method to the Kubernetes called TensorFlow extended organized structure. So Google Cloud Service are designed such a manner that a newbie can learn quickly. The structure of service is very organized, which help keep service in the different logical bounded contain different roles and level of organization. There are some of the main factors I think you consider while using GCP. Apart from these, so this site of educative they are also use GCP. There are many of ton of company they are using GCP. So I think it's a good you learn about GCP. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.